will see such type of setup. Then you need to double click on it to install JDK on your machine. So I am doing. See, this is simple setup. This is for Windows 64-bit. Okay, if your machine configuration is like 32-bit system, then you need a different setup. This is only for 64-bit machines. So such screens you will see on your machine. Just you need to continue the steps. After some time you will see the setup window like this. So just you need to follow the instructions. See the path install to C program files Java JDK 1.8.0. If you want a different path, then you may change it by clicking on this change button. But I don't want to change the path. I go with this path. So I'm clicking on next. Then this installs JDK first and then JRE. JDK in the sense Java Development Kit and JRE is Java Runtime Environment. Okay, setup takes some time to install on your machine. After installing JDK, we need to set environment variable. We will see how to set environment variable after installing this JDK. Meanwhile, we see command prompt, open command prompt and check can we run Java programs on the system. Okay, so here I am giving the command Java C and click or enter. Then if you have not set the environment variable, then this error message will see. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to run this Java C, that is Java compiler, when we want to compile our program, we use this command Java C. So if we want to use this command, we need to set environment variable. So here I am closing this window and see our setup is here, destination folder. This is a JRE path, right? Previous is JDK path and this is JRE path. Again, if you want to change the folder, you may change by clicking on this change button, but I don't want to change this path, so I'm clicking on next button. Now this is the final step. After installing this, I will show how we can set environment variable. Here final step is Java SE Development Kit 8 update 161 64-bit successfully installed. So in this way we have already successfully installed JDK 1.8. So how to check JDK is successfully installed on your machine or not? Here go to drive C, go to program files, and there is one Java folder. Okay, after installing JDK, Java folder created here inside this path. Click on this. To set environment variable, we need to copy the path up to bin folder. So where is bin? Inside JDK there is one bin folder. So this path we required. So click on this and copy this path. Now go to My Computer Properties. Inside this window there is one Advanced System Settings option. Click on it. Then there is one Environment Variables option, and go to this path, System Variables, and this is the path. Okay, click on Edit. Now there are already some path available. Now we need to add our JDK path. So we click on New and paste here. Okay, New, and with my paste. Okay, C program files Java JDK 1.8 and bin. This path we paste here and click on OK. Once again check there is bin path. Yes, there is a path. Okay. Now click on OK. OK. Close all the windows and go once again to CMD prompt. Okay, command prompt. Open command prompt once again to check our environment variable set or not. Now give Java C command once again. Now if such lines comes in front of you, that means our environment variable successfully set, and we install Java as well. Now you may run your program on this command prompt. For example, I have already created one sample program, and that program is on path F drive. So I am checking my program is compiled successfully or not. Inside it I have one folder named My Java. So I am going inside it, and then there is one sample program, sample1 program is there. So I am running, I am first compiling Java C sample.java. How we can compile our program? By using Java C command, that is Java compiler. After compilation, after successful compilation, we may run our program. So we give the command Java to run our Java program, and after Java command we need to give only the program name, and there is no any extension. So here is our output, welcome. Only simple system.out.println statement is there. So this is our output. So see you in next video. Thank you. Here we see how we can install JDK on our machine, and see how environment variable we set on our machine, and also we check or see also we see here how we can compile any Java program and run. So thank you, and see you in next video.